Hey guys, welcome back to Darkwater. Today, I'm going to be taking a look at the Asher Knives Nomad. Now, I just got this in this morning from the post office, and I am absolutely stoked to mess with this little blade. First off, one of the things that I noticed about this knife is it really seems like it was built to take on the bug out. And I know that's the throne by which all other knives are measured right now. I don't know why. But I think Asher has done a really good job at this point in their concept of this. So we're going to check it out and see how they have done. Right off the bat, what I like about this is that for $135, you're getting an S90V blade. You have dual thumb studs, dual fullers, crossbar lock, Type 3 hard coat anodized scales, complete with steel liners on the inside that are lightened, as you can see in there. And also you can see the adjustable holes for the crossbar lock here. Wow. The action is exactly what you would think it would be with a lightweight crossbar style lock for this. Man, fantastic. All Asher knives come with a very nice pouch and no box, and I think that's a good way for them to save on cost to the consumers. So I really like that about Asher. We'll just set that to the side. Let's do some size comparisons with the Nomad. First up, we have the Benchmade bug out, and as you can see, they are almost identical in size and build construction. The difference being here is you have a $180 base price and then another $70 for these AWT scales. And here you have all of that for $135. Did I mention that this was S90V and this is S30V? The next comparison we have here is the Hogue Deca in Magna Cut. Although the Hogue Deca is a little bit less overall than the bug out from the factory, it still pales in comparison to the steal of a deal you're getting with the Asher Nomad. Great comparison. Next up, we have the Kershaw Bel Air in Magna Cut and carbon fiber handles. Now, I paid $200 for this Bel Air as is, and Kershaw's base price is all over the place. On their website, it says $260 and $324. I don't know what's with your pricing, Kershaw, or what you guys have been smoking lately, but the street price on this is $199, and that's exactly where it should be. The Bel Air is an absolute fantastic knife and a great comparison to this Nomad, but again, the Nomad head-to-head destroys it in overall price and quality category. And that's saying something because this Bel Air is no slouch, and I think, in fact, is the best knife that Kershaw has ever made. And last but not least, the Ozark Trail 7.5 inch slide lock knife. Now, I know the Ozark Grail here has captivated many hearts and minds over the summer with its $9.97 base value, but I still don't think there's a comparison between the Nomad, and I threw this one in just for fun. Clearly, the $9.97 is the best deal you're ever going to get for a semi-decent knife. But in overall quality, I still give the nod to the Asher. Let's do some quick specs on the Asher Nomad. We have an overall length of 7.4 inches, a blade length of 3.2 inches, a handle length of 4.2 inches, a handle thickness of 0.44 inches, a blade stock thickness of 0.09 inches, an overall weight of 2.9 ounces. The blade is constructed of S90V. It is a drop point, is a high flat grind, and is finished with a stonewash finish. Its opening methods are dual thumb studs and dual fullers. The knife's action rides on brass caged ceramic ball bearings. The opening and closing mechanism is a crossbar lock. The handles are constructed of deeply milled aluminum, and all the hardware is stainless steel. And the pocket clip is a wire pocket clip that is left and right, tip up, ambidextrous. As you can see, the knife rides very nicely in the pocket with just the slightest hint of it sticking out. Although there is no jimping on the blade, there is jimping on the backspacer, which matches beautifully. Final thoughts and impressions of the Asher Nomad. This knife is absolutely fantastic. For the price, the materials, the overall build quality, you cannot beat the price of this knife. Good job, Asher, with bringing something to the market that just absolutely is worth its weight in gold. If you haven't already, like and subscribe to the channel, please consider doing so. Also, give this video a like and leave a comment down below on what you think of the Asher Nomad. Thank you again for hanging with Darkwater. Have a good day.